Moscow, August 19, 2026. Russia's state corporation Rostec announced on Wednesday that its high-precision systems holding has delivered a fresh batch of Pantsir-S combat vehicles and stationary Pantsir-SMD air defense systems to the Russian Ministry of Defense. The equipment completed all required testing and was formally accepted by military representatives before transfer to operational units. The delivery underscores Moscow's continued prioritization of short-range air defense assets capable of shielding high-value targets, including long-range surface-to-air missile systems such as the S-400 Triumph. In Russian layered air defense doctrine, Pantsir systems have long functioned as the close-in bodyguard layer for S-300 and S-400 batteries, intercepting threats that penetrate outer engagement envelopes, particularly low-flying cruise missiles, precision-guided munitions, anti-radiation missiles, and unmanned aerial vehicles. According to Rostec's press service, the newly delivered systems can employ a flexible mix of ammunition. Launchers may be configured with standard surface-to-air guided missiles, hypersonic missiles, or short-range interceptors optimized for close-in engagements. Depending on the mission, the total ready-to-fire load can reach 48 missiles. This modular approach allows crews to tailor their magazines to the expected threat spectrum, balancing cost-effectiveness against high-volume drone attacks with the ability to engage faster or higher-performance targets. An Air Defense Unit commander from the Battle Group North, identified by the call sign Volk, confirmed rapid integration of the new equipment. The unit received a new Pantsir-S anti-aircraft missile and gun system from the manufacturer. The system has shown itself as one of the most effective means of countering air targets. The personnel are very familiar with it. We've been operating such systems for several years now, so we quickly moved it to its deployment site, deployed it, and it has already been put on combat duty in the designated area, he said. Rostec emphasized that Pantsir systems remain on continuous combat duty, protecting both military formations and civilian infrastructure. The mobile Pantsir-S is designed for the defense of troops, administrative and industrial facilities, and the reinforcement of air defense groupings against aircraft, helicopters, cruise missiles, and precision weapons. The stationary Pantsir-SMD variant, optimized for fixed-site protection, is particularly oriented toward defeating massed aerial attacks, including large-scale drone swarms. The Pantsir family, developed by the Tula-based Instrument Design Bureau, KBP, and produced under high-precision systems, combines radar and electro-optical sensors with missile and, in some configurations, gun armament. The classic Pantsir-S1 mounts twin 30mm cannons alongside missile launchers, providing a continuous engagement zone from very low altitudes and short ranges out to approximately 20 kilometers. Later variants, including the Pantsir-SM and the missile-centric Pantsir-SMD, have expanded engagement options and magazine depth. The Pantsir-SMD removes the automatic cannons in favor of a higher missile capacity. It can carry up to 12 larger missiles of the 57E6 series or up to 48 smaller TKB-1055 short-range interceptors, sometimes referred to in open sources as gavazd, or nail missiles, or mixed loads. This configuration addresses one of the central challenges of modern air defense, the economic and numerical imbalance created by inexpensive mass-produced drones. Using expensive long-range missiles against low-cost UAVs rapidly depletes stocks. The miniature interceptors offer a more sustainable solution for high-volume threats while preserving larger missiles for higher-priority targets. Russian officials have repeatedly highlighted the Pantsir's combat record in the ongoing conflict. Rostec statements have credited the systems with successful engagements of a wide range of targets, including various drones, ATACMS ballistic missiles, Storm Shadow and other cruise missiles, HARM anti-radiation missiles, and HIMARS guided rockets. While independent verification of specific claims is limited, the systems have been observed extensively in both frontline and rear area roles, including the defense of critical infrastructure and major population centers. The role of Pantsir systems as bodyguards for S-400 batteries is particularly relevant. The S-400, with its long-range engagement capability against aircraft, ballistic missiles, and some cruise missiles, is most vulnerable to saturation attacks by low observable or low-altitude munitions and drones that exploit gaps in coverage or overwhelm radar resources. Positioning Pantsir units in proximity to S-400 launchers and command posts creates a multi-layered shield. The S-400 handles medium and long-range threats, while Pantsir systems provide the terminal defense layer. Similar integration has been reported with S-300 systems. Production of Pantsir variants has been sustained and expanded under the State Defense Order. Earlier deliveries in 2025 and earlier in 2026 included both mobile Pantsir-S vehicles and Pantsir-SMD systems. The modular design of the SMD series facilitates rapid adaptation to evolving threats. Officials have noted that the systems can automatically assess engagement effectiveness, and their fire control suite, combining multifunctional radar and electro-optical channels, supports simultaneous tracking of multiple targets. Analysts note that the emphasis on short-range, high-capacity systems reflects broader lessons from the conflict. Massed drone and missile attacks have tested the resilience of even sophisticated layered defenses. Systems that can economically engage large numbers of small, slow, or low-signature targets without depleting strategic missile stocks have become a priority. The Pantsir-SMD's ability to carry 48 miniature missiles represents a significant increase in magazine depth compared with the original 12 missile load of earlier Pantsir configurations. The latest delivery arrives as Russian forces continue to adapt their air defense posture across multiple operational directions. Units have reported rapid deployment of newly received systems into combat duty, indicating both familiarity with the equipment and the urgency attached to strengthening point defenses. Rostec has described the Pantsir family as one of the key elements protecting Russian airspace, with crews demonstrating high efficiency in detecting and neutralizing complex aerial targets under real combat conditions. Technical characteristics of the systems support this role. Detection and tracking radars enable engagement of targets with small radar cross-sections. The electro-optical channel provides a passive alternative for operations in contested electromagnetic environments. Missile speeds, including hypersonic options referenced in the latest announcements, expand the envelope against high-velocity threats. Combined with the flexibility of mixed ammunition loads, the systems offer commanders adaptable tools for a dynamic threat environment. While exact quantities in the latest batch were not disclosed, consistent with standard Russian practice regarding sensitive military deliveries, the announcement confirms ongoing serial production and transfer of both mobile and stationary variants. High-precision systems continues to fulfill state contracts for air defense equipment, including related missiles and support systems. The integration of these latest Pantsir-S and Pantsir-SMD systems into the force structure reinforces the layered approach that has defined Russian air defense planning for decades, ensuring that strategic assets such as the S-400 retain effective close-in protection against the full spectrum of contemporary aerial threats.